This is powerful, y'all. This is so powerful. Oh my lord. I actually pulled it off. Man, I need to walk around the hood with this for a minute. People be like, what? Where did you get that? I'm like, I created it. Yeah, so good thing I had a lot of copper because this is a lot of copper wire. I got 14 gauge, 12 gauge, 12 gauge, 20 gauge, 22 gauge. So many different gauges of wire, and so many different types of crystals I use to make it. Yep, and it comes off like this. Boom, and this is adjustable. You can move this right here to the left or right. It slides. Yep, and just let you see the sides. Yeah, that's it. Real easy to put on. You can wear it with a do-rag or without. Alright, so y'all holler at me. I'll make you one. Okay, just send me a DM message or send me an email at Craig the Creator 247 at Gmail. Craig the Creator 247 at Gmail. And I got you. Peace.